JSA stands for Junior State of America. It's basically a student-run government that functions through students. We have like student governors, student presidents, and it's like a mini democracy. And it's a nationwide club through all states of America. That's why we're able to have events like Winter Congress where we all get together with people from the Midwest and the East Coast and have like debates. And technically, it is considered a debate club.
Hi, my name is Ashley Cruz. I am a junior at Dominguez High.
Hi, I'm Amanda Palma, and I too am a junior at Dominguez High.
Hi, my name is Zen Ertzog, and I'm a junior at Dominguez High School.
My name is Erwin Munoz, and I'm a junior at Dominguez.
The trip to Washington was a very immersive experience. It was an experience of a lifetime for sure. We got to experience different things from learning how to work with bills, Congress, to working with House and Representatives, and trying to immerse ourselves in different experiences of that nature, and also being able to explore Washington, D.C. and see what it was like away from California.
Well, we engaged in many various sorts of different activities. For one, we did a social engagement session with different cabinet members and different cabinet president members. And we all just talked about different perspectives on the way we view different topics, many of the topics which we eventually then debated on. And it was just amazing to see different opinions being shared and respected.
I feel like I learned a lot, especially the interworkings of like how our actual Congress works, because before then I wasn't like too aware, but after this experience I feel like my political awareness has like increased by like tenfold.
My favorite part when going to Washington to experience this convention was really good because you get to interact with your cabinet members and other people from the JSA. And it's like interesting hearing the different views, like hearing the diversity that people bring and the different thoughts and views that people see. I personally haven't been outside of Compton. Getting able to be out of state and experience the different people in Washington and like the different stores, the different buildings and stuff like that is like really important to me, and I really like that. And getting to experience that with people I don't really know that well, and just like coming together and like figuring out different views and like points about them really helped us come together.
We are very grateful to have been able to experience a trip like this, going, across the country, in a plane, being able to connect with our cabinet members and other JSA members that we took, and it was extremely fun. And also we are just so very grateful that we were able to not even pay like a single dime for this, but still experience such a wonderful thing.
Thank you,
Compton
Compton
Unified School District.